Jonathan Kovac here with your winter storm warning blizzard update for Northeast Ontario, and we got away with a much quieter than expected overnight with just a trace of snowfall to a centimeter or two, and that's it. Overcast skies. The light snow is resuming this morning and it's going to intensify. We'll take a look at that with the radar picture in a moment. We'll take a look at the 1 o'clock forecast snapshot and the real-time winds, including the position or the bullseye location of our winter storm. -4 was the overnight low last night, which is about 15 degrees above the norm. We'll definitely take that. Enjoy it for the next 24 hours because once the storm system moves out of our region by Sunday night into Monday, the mercury will plummet. The snows begin plummeting as well this morning, folks, from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. There's the bulk of the snowfall between 101 and 144, making its way northeastward to eventually cover up most of, if not all of, Northeast Ontario. We can already see some yellows and reds, which is the more intense band of snowfall. That's when we can look at the 1 to 2 centimeters of snowfall per hour. I'm going to take a look at the real-time wind system to show you where our system is located. If you know a place called Sister Bay, Wisconsin, that's where our storm system is spinning right now, going into the 6 o'clock hour this morning. Strong counterclockwise wind flow. Winds out of the southeast for the Timmins area at about 30 to 40 kilometers per hour, so the wind gusts are intensifying. And here are the arrows showing the reinforcement strong northwest winds behind that storm system. This reinforcement of northwest winds, guarantee you in about 24 hours, it'll be right here at home. Last but not least, we'll take a look at the systems map for 1 o'clock this afternoon to show you where the system's supposed to be located. The forecast, Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, with a much lower pressure gradient, 97.4 kilopascals, which means as it deepens, the winds ahead of the storm system with this trough now that's cutting through southern Ontario, they will intensify. In fact, we're looking at wind gusts of about 90 kilometers an hour or more between the Toronto and the Windsor area. I want to say 50 to 70 across Northeast Ontario. Easterly winds still for this afternoon, but as the low pressure system moves eastward at 50 kilometers an hour, we can see how close the isobars are north of Thunder Bay. This is winds that could potentially gust up to 70 or 80 kilometers an hour by Sunday night going into Monday morning. And I want to say at least 90% of the province is covered up by this weather system with either rain or mixed precip for southern Ontario, mixed precip with heavy snow for us here in northern Ontario. I'll leave you now with the info pages for this morning, and I'll have an update on camera on Sunday evening.